welcome or welcome back to my channel, Naturally Sade. In today's video, I'm going to be testing out these two products here by IGK, and I purchased this kit via Sephora's website. What I'm really excited about are these leave-in toning drops. What's really cool about these is that you can actually put these drops in any hair products that you have. So the reason I'm excited about it, and I hope that they work, is because a lot of purple shampoos and conditioners are really harsh on your hair. So if you can use your own products that you already love and just add these toning drops in them, that's pretty cool. In this kit, these are meant to go with this. So I'm gonna be testing these out on my blonde hair and just kind of see how it works out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right in with the hydrating hair balm. This is the leave-in. According to this box here, it actually lets you know how many drops you'll need depending on what you're using and how much of a toning effect you want. So I'm actually gonna do the 7 to 9 drops deep toning for like a darker shade blonde. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, so there's like a little button here that you kind of just push and the drops come out really easy. I'm just gonna go ahead and mix it and put it in my hair. Can you guys notice the difference? I honestly cannot. Now that I have the leave-in in, I'm actually going to add a styler on top of it just to kind of seal my hairstyle, I guess. I'm going to be using good old faithful curl activator, but the avocado version. I'm actually going to be adding more drops again. So I'm going to do the 9 drops into this. Why does it seem more purple than it did before? I feel like I can notice it like a tiny bit, but not much, which is a little bit good because I don't want my hair to be purple, but I don't know. Let's see how it looks when it dries, and I'll come back and we'll see if we notice a difference or not. All right, so I am back and it's actually the next day. I had some things come up and I wasn't able to actually film the day of how my hair looked. I did record like a little video right before I went to bed, so I'll insert that here somewhere just so you can kind of see what my curls were looking like. I feel like the lighting doesn't really reflect much, but even now, like, honestly, I don't notice that much of a difference. I feel like my hair looks the same in regards to the toning. I feel like there's like a slight difference, but not noticeable. It's very, very minimal. In regards to that hydrating hair balm, this little stuff here, it actually made my hair really soft and like my curls look really good. And granted, I did use the curl activator, the Cantu curl activator, but that alone doesn't make my hair feel like how it feels right now. It feels really good, really soft. So that hydrating balm is definitely hydrating. I actually like how it worked. I don't know if I would buy it. I would have to test it out alone to see how it worked alone. but in conjunction with the curl activator, I really like it. I don't know, I'm a little bit disappointed in regards to the toning drops. I'm gonna keep using them though, just to kind of see. I was like super excited, but I wanted it to be like way more noticeable, but you know, whatever. If you enjoyed watching this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. And while you're there, you might as well hit that subscribe button down below if you want to see more from me. And of course, as always, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.